Hey everyone, it's Hanno from Cracking Gate. So before the video plays, just a reminder, when you're working on your vehicles, make sure you're working in a safe environment, use jack stands if you need to, and make sure the vehicle's secure. So here's a video. Okay, so in this episode I'm just going to be replacing the torque mount bushes on the I30N from factory. These are quite soft, which because they're soft, that allows when the vehicle to wheel spin, you get a fair bit of axle-tramp, which is just the rotation of the engine pushing this wishbone backwards and the rubber's compressing excessively, and that gives you that shuddering feeling when you're stepping on the gas and getting wheel spin. So swapping out, got these ones here, which are white line KDT 970s. They're a bit of a harder compound. You can get these rubbers from various manufacturers and whatnot, but yeah, just going with these ones because they're locally sourced. So to remove them, what you do is you remove the under tray, which is a series of 10mm bolts, and then you just got little pop screws, whatever they are, a couple 14mm bolts here and then 17mm bolt here. So I'm going to drop the tray first and then we'll get stuck into removing the wishbone. Okay, so we got the undercover taken off now, and I got clear access to the 17mm bolt, which was sort of impeded by that cover terminating about there. So it's just a matter of cracking this one off and then cracking these two off, and then the wishbone should be able to slide out pretty easily. So we'll just do that. Okay, so we've got the wishbone or torque mount out. So if you look at it from straight on, it looks pretty uniform, the shape of it. So if you're trying to work out which way is upside down, the little drain hole here, that faces down. Okay, so any water and whatever that collects in that spot there, where the nut is for the bolt, will drain out through that hole. So hole down is the right way around. Okay. So next step is just to undo this bolt here and then swap the rubbers over, really. So secure this if you can, makes it a bit easier, and then yeah, just crack it off and then swap the rubbers. So after getting the rubbers off, already halfway through swapping it, but you can see here this is the original rubber. Give it a good squeeze, it's quite soft. This is a replacement one from white line. Give it a good squeeze and it's got a lot less movement. So pretty much there's no particular direction that these need to be, like rotation wise, but the tapered ends go to the outside of this central part. So tapered end like this, and then this one here goes in this recess like that. Now it's just a matter of putting the end plate back on and buttoning up the bolt. Alright, so just ready to put this back in. This bolt here, 14mm, has been tightened back up and it's all centered up now, so should fit back in pretty easily. So again, as mentioned, this little circle is the down position for this, so it's just a matter of just sliding it back into the location and then just refitting those bolts. So before you tighten any bolts up, just make sure you got all three of those located, and it's got like the lock nut with a knurling on it, so as it tightens up it'll start pinching and locks into place. There we go, got 3 bolts back in. Just need to give them a tighten up, and then next step is to refit the under tray. So there we go, we got it all back up, the under tray's back fitted, bolts are all done up on here. I got new rubbers installed. So next step is start up and see what it feels like, go for a drive and give my thoughts about it. About to start it up now with the new torque mount rubbers fitted, so we'll see what the vibration and harshness feels like compared to the standard. So yeah, some people complain about the rubbers being a little bit too harsh, but from what I can feel at the moment, it doesn't seem to be too bad. So far so good, so we'll go for a drive and see what it feels like out on the road. Alright, here we go. So my thoughts on the KDT 970 white line torque mount bush for $30 that it is thereabouts. I think it's pretty much worthwhile thing that you should add to your vehicle. Improves driveability a little bit more, and it allows you to accelerate harder with less tendency for the axle tramping to happen, which happens once you start wheel spinning. So yeah, not too bad. I'm going to stick with it for a while. I don't think I'm going to change it because it feels pretty good on my thoughts. Yeah, that's about it. So if you enjoyed this video or any of the others on Crackgate, make sure to show your support by clicking subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also share the link. So until next time, thanks for watching, see you around. Cheers.